Today we'll be unboxing the Titan Slim. The Titan Slim is one of the latest in the Unihertz QWERTY smartphone series. It is the lightest and smallest smartphone in the Unihertz Titan series. But before we go into details, let's unbox the phone. This is it. So let's open it. Now for the boring parts, we have a SIM card ejector, screen protector, and the applicator. We have instructions, manuals, warranty guide. That's the side. This is the phone. This is the phone. So it's heavy, very heavy. Ooh. Still put that aside. This is just the card. This is the power block. I don't know if I want to open it, but it's just a normal power block. You have charger and a USB-C something. So now onto the interesting part, the part we've all been waiting for, right? The phone itself, right? So I'm going to bring it out of the nylon. This is my first time seeing it too. There's even a case, there's a case already on it. Very bulky case. But this is what it looks like. If you love blackberries, this is for you. It's so pretty. Well, it does remind me of a blackberry. The edges. I'm removing this because it's spoiling the back. Now here you see. This is what it looks like. Let us put it on. Android. The back, it is plastic. It's quite plastic. It's not glass, so that will also help you if you're clocked. Like when you drop your phone, you're sure that it won't break into many pieces. So let's set it up. United States. Start. It's also touch screen. It's also touch screen. It's both button and touch screen, so don't be scared. I am perfectly using the touch screen. So it is touch screen. Touch screen. Today is the 20th. Sure. Skip. The Titan Slim has a 4.2-inch regular screen. It's small. If you like small, compact phones, this phone is for you. It has a 60 Hz refresh rate. Let's see how good that is. It also has an IPS LCD screen. It weighs 204 grams. It's thick, right? But it's a little bit light. I don't know if guys would keep someone, but it uses a MediaTek Helio P70 processor, and it has 6 GB of RAM and 256 GB of ROM. Try the front-facing camera, which is 8 megapixels. So. Let's try the back facing camera. The pictures are actually not that bad. They're actually good. It's good. I really like some of them. I'm really surprised. So I want you to tell me your thoughts on this phone. What do you think about the phone? Would you buy one? Did you love BlackBerry when BlackBerry was still a thing? Did you love BlackBerry when BlackBerry was still a thing? Tell me in the comments down below. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.